Hey guys, Careless here. I'm gonna go out here where you can hear some fireworks. Saw a huge bunch of fireworks today. Went to this neighborhood or this apartment complex, and they were like shooting crazy fireworks up. So I decided to record it. I'm really tired, honestly. I just got home and wow. My camera was a little foggy throughout some of it, so it might not be the best footage, but anyway, whatever. Enjoy a bunch of fireworks. If you missed fireworks, then woohoo, you get to see some. Good Lord. Bro, I never see them at the house.
Who the fuck done now? Heard a fucking machine gun go off. I don't know what the fuck that was.
Whoa.
Someone rapid fired some fireworks. That's the
We're
spot.
trying to get past. Look at him, he's terrified. He's trying to get past.
I was like half asleep. You know,
What, Cam?
well, where I thought there was gonna
Usually there's nothing.
You hear the fireworks?
Show
Cam?
me this.
be. Yeah, obviously.
Wow, that was huge. Tell me. Wow, you hear that? Sounds like gunshots.
Cam, is that you?
Cam, are you alive? There's some bigger ones over there. Yeah, there we go. There too. Yeah, back up.
I can see this shit.
Still thunder.
Well, thank you guys for watching this. I'm recording this on my laptop. Oh look, my little feetsies. Anyway, I'm still hearing them as I'm editing this.